What's up guys, I'm super excited for today's video, and you guys saw I got a set of massive 6-pot endless brake calipers. And guess what guys, I am going to put on my G35. Isn't that fucking crazy? I think this is going to be a great upgrade. I know my G35, it's not pushing enough power, or it's not doing enough autocross or race to have these brakes, but I saw them and they were a good deal and just couldn't pass them up, so I grabbed them. They were actually off a Mini, so you can see the adapter, those will not fit on my Skyline because the length, or how to say it, the width is different. But the good thing about these calipers is that you can see there are 2 bolts right here, so you can undo those and you can get a custom made adapter, so that way it'll run on pretty much any cars as long as your wheel will clear the brake caliper. So there's 6-pot, you can see there's 3 piston right here, and there are 3 on the front. These are 2-piece forged, means they use some sort of aluminum and then they'll forge one piece and then they'll forge another piece, and then it's connected by these bolts. Did came with endless pads as well, but they're pretty worn, so I'm gonna get new ones. Also came with 2-piece roller, which they're pretty rusty, but that's all surface rust, which means that's fine. Now these calipers, they are EC671, which you can Google that. They're just a little bit over 3 kg. The design have the 3 different size pistons on each side. The reason they design like that is for the even wear on the brake pads. So pretty cool design. For just 2 brake calipers, you'd be looking at just a little bit over 3 grand New Zealand dollars. And for the whole setup, which includes the adapter, the brake line, the pads, the rotor, you'd be looking at 5 grand plus. So yeah, pretty much paid a fraction of that price for these full setup. Although it's going to cost me a little bit of money to get new adapters and the new hub for my 5.114.3, because these ones are 5x120, which won't fit. Because these are floating or 2-piece rotor, I can just replace the middle piece, and then I'll be able to fit that on my Skyline. Pretty much what I'm going to do is, in today's video, I'm going to clean them up. Yeah, I can't wait to put them on the Skyline. As you guys can see, my factory brake, it's non-Brembo. Even Brembo compared to these are just completely another level. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna start with probably soapy water and try to clean them up. Alright, so just gave this one a good clean, and this is what it looks like. It's definitely not perfect, but if you compare to this one, it's definitely a lot better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the pads and the clip that is holding the pads, and after I've done all of that, I'll push the piston back into the caliper, and I'm gonna use sandpaper, just lightly sand these letters, sand off the rust so they can be nice and shiny again. Alright guys, now both of them are cleaned up. They look pretty good. Yeah, I got another car, another project, and yeah, stay tuned for that. Next week car should be here and I'll make a video on that, and then probably make another video on, you know, my plan with all, you know, all my cars and stuff. But yeah, stay tuned. All I can tell you guys is there's tons and tons of good shit that is coming to the channel, coming to the video. But yeah, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and you know, share the video. So yeah, pretty much that'll be it for this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.